Hello folks, good morning. This is today February the 2nd 2020. Going to work right now. However, as soon as I walked out of my house, this what I saw. This is Toronto on 2nd Feb 2020 at around 10 a.m. in the morning. That's what it looks like. Snow everywhere. Wow. So yeah, so this is what it is. And I'll keep you guys posted that what's going on in Toronto this winter and how the weather looks like. I'll switch the camera around. I'm trying to switch the camera around to show you a better view. I can't do this. However, look at this. This what it is. Look at these streets. All snow everywhere. Roads are clean because they have been salted. But this is what it is, brother. This is what it is on Sunday, February the 2nd, 2020, Scarborough, Toronto. I hope you enjoyed. You will enjoy this video. It will give you just an idea how Toronto looks like on 2nd of Feb 2020. Thank you. See you guys soon. Thank you. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.